I'm too old to have to fight Levon. Levon rests and rests and rests.
On this live stream, Devon Larratt prepared a strategy with Vitali to defeat Levan, and he also revealed his secret to Vitali that is going to help Vitali to defeat Levan and maybe even Devon in their rematch. So generous of Devon. So the strategy with Vitali is Vitali should first go up against Levan and then Devon attacks him a few months later. It is obviously not something like they're going to face Levan on the same day back to back. But Devon's reasoning behind this is that right now, Levan controls the time. Although he himself has said that the number one guy in the world should decide who he wants to face and when he wants to face him. But still, Devon isn't really happy about it. He said right now, Levan just rests, and once in a while, when he's fully prepared, he comes back and smacks the other guys. But it's not really fair to the other guys who keep on climbing the ladder, who keep on arm wrestling almost every other event. But if we look at it, even with a lot of rest, Levan always claims to be less than 100% during match days. He says after the matches that he was only 70% or only 90%. He is very rarely in the best shape of his life, unlike all other arm wrestlers who surprisingly are always in the best shape of their lives. So is it really helping Levan that he is resting for a long time before destroying the number 2, number 3 guys? But the sad news is Vitali doesn't really want to face Levan as of now.
Levon rests and rests and rests.
You gotta do the third.
I will.
Yes,
I will.
Just can't do it. I'm gonna wait.
Ah, fuck. You sure you don't want to fight him first? Yes.
He wants Devon to go up against Levan in December, and then next year maybe Vitali goes against Levan or Devon. Devon said that he has already tried twice to defeat Levan and failed. The third time needs to be even for him, or even be slightly advantageous for him. So that's why he doesn't really want to go against Levan in December. That's why he told Levan at the East vs West stage to talk to his manager if he wants the December match, because he didn't want to say no to Levan in front of everyone. Vitali told Devon that if he loved arm wrestling as much as Devon does, he would defeat everyone in this world. But he doesn't love arm wrestling that much, and this is something that he has said in the past too, that he just happens to be good at arm wrestling, he doesn't really love arm wrestling. And Devon agreed. He said that in order to beat Vitali, Devon needed to be obsessed with training. He needed to be obsessed with arm wrestling. Otherwise, he wouldn't have won this match. He prepared for 3 months straight, morning to night, sober. So this time, 6 hours a day training actually won against 6 hours a week training. And then Devon told his secret to Vitali. This is what he told him about the setup, the grip before the ready go.
There is something that I try and do that not a lot of arm wrestlers do. This is so important. I hold on to it against even a stronger person. That's it.
And yes, Devon is right when he's saying that not many arm wrestlers do that, because supinating in the grip, and that too a top roller supinating in the grip before he wants to top roll you, it sounds a little off. Vitali was saying that he cannot really do that, but Devon told him that he can learn to do that. And if he learns, nobody would be able to beat him. And he's in fact the best person to learn that. He should definitely do that. He also said that Auden Larratt knows the best how to defeat me. Do you think these strategies are going to work for Vitali? Do you think if Vitali and Devon face Levan back to back within 3 months' time, they can take him down? Mention your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video. I'll see you again.